Alright, so just a quick video. I thought I'd do this. I did this last year. We're going to find some gold, or hopefully we'll find some gold in an unexpected spot. And in the process, I'll get to clean out my truck box. So this is the state of it right now. We got all these samples left over from certain places, extra ones we grabbed, like this, that, all these VMS samples, copper sulfide. So what we wanted to actually do is take out all this stuff, and we're going to sweep it all into a dustpan. We're going to pan it out. And I know there's going to be gold here because I dropped a gold nugget, a small one, about 6 months ago, and I couldn't find it. So I'm hoping we'll find it. Maybe we'll find some other finds or stuff like this, crushed ore, that will have gold in it. So let's get to sweeping. So not only is there lots of minerals, I can tell right away, there's lots of rocks. There's also lots of garbage people have thrown in here. Look at how cemented this is. Probably get at least a couple dustpans full of this stuff. Generally what happens to all these samples that we don't get analyzed, or the doubles, they end up staying in my vehicle for a year, which is what I'm trying to avoid. So now I'm cleaning and sorting. This side's actually pretty clean. Okay, so not as much material as I thought. Old nail. I'm going to sort through this and pick out the garbage pieces. Maybe I'll classify it a bit. Oh, that's a nice looking piece of chalcopyrite. I'll remove the garbage and then we'll go pan this out. I haven't seen the nugget yet. Haven't seen any gold, in fact, so we'll see. It's going to be hard to see right like this because it's so dusty, but let's take her, clean her up, and get her to the creek. So we've sifted all the trash and crap out of here. We got some rocks in here. We got some sulfides for sure, and some dirt. Definitely some mineralized pieces in there. Okay, I'm going to wash this back and slowly clean it up. So I'm pretty sure I saw some gold in the bottom. Don't know if it was a nugget though. Yep, we got gold. It's definitely not the nugget. Let's clean up this last little bit here. Oh yeah, we got the nugget. This is the one I lost. Nice 1/4 gram nugget there. Awesome. And we got 3 other pieces here. 4. Another little speck there. So, made a little money today, and I got my truck clean. Sweet, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.